Devoted to Ray. King of the Pit TV signing in. This one's for the metalheads. Trivium. What's a trivium? I knew what a trivium was. A trivium's esoteric. A trivium's like sacred geometry shit, to be honest with you. What's a trivium? It's geometrical, isn't it? Somebody want to inform me what a trivium is? Because I did know and I should know. I'm going to actually search it quick. One moment. The trivium actually links with linguistics, grammar and logic and all of that good stuff. The liberal arts, they call it, which is 3 of 7 because there is study of music and so on and so forth. And this actually interlinks with Freemasonic teaching, Masonic teachings where one must become well versed in such arts, but I'm not very well familiar with that. That's why I had to quickly search what a trivium was, because I'm thinking I've heard of that before, but where does it come from? Because then there's a quadrivium, which is the other 4, I believe. Anyway, Ascendancy. This is a classic album. I've never listened to this album. I didn't go through a stage when I was younger where I took a path through this band, but I had a lot of friends who did take the Trivium route. I'm expecting a talented late 2000s metalcore sound. When I say late 2000s, 2007, 2008, shall we see when this record was put out? 2005 this was put out, but no doubt it's going to be a bit ahead of its time, you know? I'm expecting a one-of-its-kind sort of vibe. I got gifted a Trivium album when I was young by an older man who was into playing guitar and stuff, and I don't think I ever met him, but via another person, he gifted me this Trivium record, and I wholeheartedly appreciate such kindness. It was the one that had We Have the Fire on. It was like a bit more of a poppier record from what I'm aware. Shall we see if it's in the related videos? The Crusade was the record. I had the Crusade back in the day, but that's all I know of Trivium, aside from when they had that hit number In Waves. All right, other than that, this is Ascendancy. Let's jump in. We've got an introduction, I believe, the end of everything, and we'll run that into Rain, okay? 12 tracks on this record. Let's go. Matt Heafy. I am familiar with this band because how can you be into metal and not know of Trivium? I used to buy Metal Hammer magazine, and these were the poster boys alongside Des Cadena, a flipping... What was his band? I don't know. I forgot. Someone says this album belongs in the Hall of Fame. I'm looking forward to this one. Look at this. Did they ever learn their quadrivium though? Put some respect on that. The album cover looked better when I didn't have time to look at it in detail. With all due respect. Pull Harder on the Strings of Your Martyr is a banger, isn't it? I don't know it. Or A Gunshot to the Head of Trepidation as well. They're like big songs, aren't they? There's loads of big songs. Dying in Your Arms was one as well, I think. 3 big songs from what I'm aware on this record.
Running breaks your joints.
Look at this AI guy selling all of the products in the world. Let's go. Come on now. Thank you to Ray for the recommendation. You know what? This is a brilliant one. I would have never expected I'd be listening to Trivium. And you know what? I rate you for putting this forward. Honestly. I thought I'd never listen to this. Proper guitarists band this, innit? What tuning we in? C standard? Drop C? Roadrunner Records. Back in this day, Roadrunner Records, there was Roadrunner United. Anybody remember that? Where it was just like super groups of all of the best metal bands coming together to like put songs out. Marketing legend, that, wasn't it? Roadrunner United. Devil Driver. Bullet for My Valentine. Come on. Great guitar tones. Great guitar tones. You could hear it on some of the chugs where they dragged the chug, dum, and you could hear the low end just blend in. Yeah, really good. And then when they wanted to tighten it up as opposed to hanging on to that chug, as we heard just down here, Noise Gate 101, very good, very good, very good. I don't want to waste no time. I'm excited. I want to get into track number 3 straight away. This is going to be a very easy listen. There's a substantial amount of material on here, but no doubt it's going to be a nice, easy listen. Pull Harder coming up next.